Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to recharge the AC system on Suzuki Grand Vitara 2.4 or the 3.2 engine. What you need to do, guys, you need to get some Freon 134A, and we put a used compressor, so it still has oil in it, but if you put a new compressor you need to add some oil. So if you guys open the hood right here, there is a label about the AC, so it tells you the capacity, which is 560 grams. Okay, right here, or 1.2 pounds, and that's the amount of oil and what kind of oil it needs if you need to add. So 1 little can, guys, it's about 340. You can get a big can that's about 560, close to 560. So we're going to add a can and about 2/3. So that's a low pressure side that you need to remove the cap off of it now. Ours is completely empty, guys, so now you need to do that when the engine is off, so you're out of the way of the exhaust and you don't want to cause any injuries. Okay, and just put it on the low pressure side. Okay, just like that. Then, guys, you need to go inside the vehicle. You need to start it. You need to make sure that it's all the way on low. Okay, like that. The fan is on and the AC button is on as well. Okay, just like that. You can see now it's off, now it's on. And when you do that, you need to go outside and start adding the Freon, but don't keep the can upside down. Just keep adding it like that, slowly, gradually. It will take it. It will take some time and you'll be able to hear the compressor kicking in. Okay, right there. You can see the compressor kicking in, working. So that's good. And you need to add about 560 grams in our case. Almost 2 cans, but don't overfill it, because you might blow a hose and the system might not work even. Okay, so take your time. It'll take you probably 3 to 5 minutes to empty the first can. Okay, guys, now the first can is empty. You need to unhook it and just change the cans now. You still have some pressure in the can, guys, so be careful. Okay, just like that. And now we can start adding the second one, but don't overfill it. Just add about a little bit over a half. You'll be feeling it by the weight. Okay, and the AC already is ice cold after the first can. You should have ice cold AC anyways, but to be functioning properly, you need to fill it to the capacity. And right here, if you go, the temperature is about 80 right now outside, a little bit over 80. So that's where it should be by pressure. And as you can see, it should be between about 28 and 47, and we stay at 35 so far. Okay, so that's perfect, as long as you're not over the recommended pressure. Okay, just like that. And that's about 2/3, guys. Inside right now is ice cold AC. Thank you guys for watching. That's the whole procedure. We have a video how to replace the AC compressor and the belt on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.